Ever wonder how cars or robots avoid bumping into things? The secret isn't tiny eyes, it's sound. Ultrasonic sensors use high-frequency sound waves, like bats, to see by sending out a ping and listening for the echo. By timing how long the echo takes to return, machines can measure distance. Simple, powerful, and fun. Today, you'll build your own distance detector, the first step to giving your inventions a new sense. Before we build, let's gather our parts. You'll need an Arduino Uno, the brain, an HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, the eyes, a breadboard, and jumper wires. For extra flair, grab an LED, a 220 ohm resistor, and a piezo buzzer. The Arduino connects to your computer with a USB cable for power and programming. No soldering, no fancy tools, just plug and play. Ready? Let's get building. Lay out your breadboard and plug in the HCSR04 sensor. Connect VCC on the sensor to 5V on the Arduino and GND to GND. Trig goes to digital pin 9, echo to pin 10. Double-check each connection. One misplaced wire can stop everything. That's it. Your Arduino now has ultrasonic eyes. No sparks, no stress. Just a few simple wires. Take a breath and admire your handiwork. Next up, giving it a brain with code. Time to program your Arduino. At the top, define your pins in, set trig pin as output and echo pin as input. Start the serial monitor with in, send a short pulse on trig pin, then measure how long echo pin stays high using. Convert that time to distance. Print the distance to the serial monitor. That's your distance detector's brain. Plug your Arduino into your computer and open the Arduino IDE. Paste in your code, select Arduino Uno under Tools. Board and pick the right port. Click Upload. The lights will blink as your code loads. Open the serial monitor, the magnifying glass icon. Move your hand in front of the sensor and watch the numbers change in real time. Closer hand, smaller number, farther hand, bigger number. You've built a device that sees with sound. Take a moment to celebrate. Let's make your project interactive. Add an LED with a 220 ohm resistor to pin 7 and GND. Connect a buzzer to pin 8 and GND. In your code, define and set them as output in, add upload the code. Now when something gets close, the LED lights up and the buzzer beeps. Your distance detector just got a voice. If nothing happens, don't panic. Troubleshooting is part of the process. Double-check every wire. VCC to 5V, GND to GND, trig to 9, echo to 10. Make sure the sensor faces a solid object, not something soft or angled. Review your code for typos and missing semicolons. Confirm you've selected the right board and port in the IDE. Still stuck? Search online. There's a huge community ready to help. Debugging is a puzzle, and solving it is half the fun. Every mistake is a step toward mastery. You've built a working ultrasonic distance detector. Congrats! Now use it as a building block. Make a smart trash can that opens automatically, or a robot car that avoids walls. Try a social distancing alarm, a musical instrument, or even a plant watering system. Every big project starts with a simple one. Keep experimenting. The world needs more creative, quirky robots. Keep building, keep learning, and have fun. Go make something awesome.